guys, Chopper here. Welcome to today's video. As you guys can see, once again, we got Big Red right behind me. And today's a little special day. I got a little car meet going on for all my subscribers and all my supporters. Before we even talk about anything else, I want to thank every one of you guys that watched my last vlog. We got the vlog up to 2,400 views in about a week. So everybody that watched the vlog, thank you. I appreciate you. And anybody that's new, make sure you go back to my last vlog and click the link and watch the vlog. It was crazy. We took a first drive in a 700 horsepower Civic. So, but jumping back to today, we got a little something special going on. In this car meet that I'm doing for my subscribers, my followers, my supporters, I got free pizza for everybody. And I'm gonna tell you a little secret. Shh. Don't tell them, they don't know this yet, but I got my boy Like Magic. I'll put his link in the description below. I got him coming to the car meet, and I'm giving everyone free exterior washes until his water tank in his van is done. So let's see how everybody reacts, and let's see who washes their car now. So I got my boy Vision Works Media behind the lens, and let's get into this. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Let's go. Media, he felt that boost. What you gotta say, man? Tell the people.
Shit crazy.
We outside though. Y'all, so I'm here at the location where I'm having the car meet. I got my boy here with me, Like Magic Auto Detail. I'll have his description down below. But we actually got the first person here that's gonna get the free wash, one of my supporters, my followers, and we're gonna get this party rolling. But no one else knows they're getting free washes, so let's wait to the end and we get it washed, and we're gonna give them that.
Chopper Kardashian, you already know.
Nah, what we gonna give them?
Magic touch.
I'll let y'all know since y'all here first. Goldie got a whole tank of water, right? Yeah. I'm giving free washes to everybody until he finishes the tank. So if you want to get a wash, all you got to do is get in line and he'll wash just the outside and armor for cars clean, but I'm giving everybody free washes until the van is done with water. So if anybody want to catch a free wash outside in Armor,
They picked me up.
You were sleeping, huh? Oh yeah.
He got the builder made sure it's good. He confirmed and I bought it.
He was on that test drive?
Yeah, he was like, yo, it's good. I said, all right,
Here, I'm surprised, crazy. Race cars, regular cars. We got the free washes going on. Don't forget, Chopper gave the free washes out. So, you know what I'm saying? Look, we got another Civic coming up right now. Look at that thing. I just want to thank everybody for coming out, man. I love all of y'all. Y'all already know what I always tell y'all. And I'm here for y'all. Y'all is why I do it. So, keep showing love, keep giving me them likes. And let's make this bigger than life. Y'all know what's up. Chopper. getting crowded in here. Let's go. This whole meet is turning out amazing. I didn't think it was gonna turn out this good, but I'ma just, you know what I'm gonna do right now? I'm gonna leave y'all with the drone footage right now. Let's go. Oh, you want a right-hand drive one?
Yeah. Just because I can't find a pink one out here.
If you would have passed by earlier, you would have saw a yellow one that was here.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's like a Type R yellow. Everybody loves us. They call him back for the tow trucks, yeah?
Nah, I want my boy to see it.
Oh.
Look at my mileage. Damn, I feel offended. He's looking at Dave's cup and my cup.
This is a convertible, which is even more rare.
There's more Civic down there too if you want to see.
I'm not really a Civic fan.
Oh, you like it? Oh.
I got an M4.
Oh, all right.
He didn't even look twice on my cup.
See what's going on in here. What's going on in this hood? What's up? What's up? All right, we got a battery. Okay.
2JZ, no
Checking it out.
shit.
Like 500, right? They're like 500?
Real deal.
Yeah. Never seen one this fast. Never. Too much power there.
They letting it slide. They letting it slide.
Hopefully this ain't the setup. Me turning it on so they take it. Alright, y'all. We're here. The day's over. I want to thank everybody that came out today. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. You know, I had Vision Works Media behind the lens all day. We got some drone footage that I know y'all seen on the vlog, and I just want to take this time to thank everybody. The meet was a success. You already see we even had the NYPD come. They were showing love. So, I mean, like, comment, subscribe, like I always tell you guys, and I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Love all of y'all. It's Chopper out of here. See ya.